let the good times roll. Come on, baby, let me thrill your soul. Come on, baby, let the good times roll. Roll on and on.
It's been amazing. I think we're pioneers, you know. It's just a new product to the market, and coming together as a community of people all doing the same thing. It's been awesome.
Roll on and on. Feel so good in my arms.
That was really the best part of the weekend, is collaborating with 25 people, students, and then all these experts that you guys brought in to help us out. I mean, it's invaluable. I mean, it's a must. If you're going to get into this business, it's like going to university. It's Pizza University.
Let the good times go.